In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a record in Airtable safely and correctly. If you need to remove a single entry from your Airtable base, the process is simple, but it's important to be careful before you confirm the deletion. Deleting a record can affect related information, especially if that record is linked to other tables, so it helps to take a quick moment to review what you're removing. Start by opening the Airtable base that contains the record you want to delete. Once you're inside the base, go to the correct table where that record is stored. This is important because many bases contain multiple tables and you want to make sure you're working in the right place before making any changes. Next, find the specific row or record you want to remove. Click on that record so it's clearly selected. Take a second to confirm that it's the correct one, especially if several records have similar names or details. A quick check here can help you avoid deleting the wrong entry. Once the record is selected, open the record menu. You can usually do this by right-clicking on the record or by opening the menu directly from the record options. This menu gives you access to actions you can take on that item, including deletion. From the menu, choose the option labeled Delete Record. As soon as you do that, Airtable may ask you to confirm the action. If a confirmation message appears, review it carefully and then confirm only if you're sure you want to proceed. This extra prompt is there to help prevent accidental deletions. Before moving on, it's a good idea to check whether the record was connected to any linked records in other tables. In Airtable, linked records can be part of a larger workflow or database structure, so removing one record may impact related entries, references, or context elsewhere in the base. Reviewing those links helps you avoid breaking connections you still need. If you realize afterward that you deleted the record by mistake, don't panic. You may be able to recover it using Airtable's trash or revision history tools, depending on your workspace settings and plan. That recovery option can be very helpful if something was removed accidentally. And that's it. Open the right base and table, select the correct record, use the record menu to delete it, confirm the action, check any linked records, and use recovery tools if needed. Following this approach helps you keep your Airtable data clean while avoiding unnecessary mistakes.